5-minute tax guides from your 5-minute tax guy. Short lessons to help you navigate the treacherous, hazardous, and totally unpredictable U.S. federal tax code.
Filing requirements. Do I have to file? When getting ready to file a tax return, one of the first things you have to determine is what will be your filing status. That topic is covered in another video, so check it out by clicking here. Once you've determined your filing status, then you must find out if you are required to file. The requirement to file is based upon several factors.
You must file a federal income tax return if you're a citizen or resident of the United States or a resident of Puerto Rico, and you meet the filing requirements for any of the following categories that apply to you: most taxpayers, dependents, children under 19, self-employed individuals, and aliens. No, not that kind of alien. Most taxpayers. If you're a U.S. citizen or resident, whether you must file a return depends on 3 factors: your gross income, your filing status, your age. The charts below show the income filing requirements for tax years 2017 and 2018. Dependents. Dependents, or taxpayers who are claimed as a dependent on another tax return, have a different income threshold to determine if they are required to file. Due to time constraints, I won't cover this subject in this video, but I'll cover it in a separate video. Self-employed individuals. You are self-employed if you are an independent contractor, are a member of a partnership, carry on a trade or business as a sole proprietor, or are in business for yourself in any other way. If you are self-employed, you must file a return if your gross income is at least as much as the filing requirement amount for your filing status and age, and you must file a Form 1040 and Schedule SE if your net earnings from self-employment, excluding church employee income, were $400 or more, or you had church employee income of $108.28 or more. Aliens. Your status as an alien, resident, non-resident, or dual status determines whether and how you must file an income tax return. Resident aliens. If you are a resident alien for the entire year, you must file a tax return following the same rules that apply to U.S. citizens. A non-resident alien. If you are a non-resident alien, the rules and tax forms that apply to you are different from those that apply to U.S. citizens and resident aliens. See Publication 519 to find out if U.S. income tax laws apply to you and which forms you should file. If you are a resident alien for part of the tax year and a non-resident alien for the rest of the year, you are a dual status taxpayer, and different rules apply for each part of the year. For information on dual status taxpayers, see Publication 519. Other situations. There are some situations that will require you to file even though your income does not exceed the filing threshold. Number 1, you owe any special taxes including any of the following: alternative minimum tax, additional tax on a qualified retirement plan, Social Security and Medicare tax on tips that you did not report to your employer or on wages you received from an employer who didn't withhold these taxes, recapture of first-time homebuyer credit. Number 2, you had net earnings from self-employment of at least $400, which we've already discussed. Number 3, you had wages of $108.28 or more from a church or qualified church-controlled organization. Number 4, advance payments of the premium tax credit were made for you, your spouse, or a dependent who enrolled in coverage through the marketplace. You or whoever enrolled you should have received a Form 1095-A showing the amount of the advance payments. That's it for filing requirements. Pretty simple, right? Here's a quick recap. Did you get all that? For more great 5-minute tax guides, check out the other videos in my 5-minute tax guide video series. See the list in the description below this video.